When Mother Nature is at her worst, Danella Storm Restoration is ready to respond. With divisions operating at a facility strategically located throughout the country, no job or emergency work is too complex or too difficult for Danella Storm Restoration. With over 40 years of industry experience, our fleet is available to quickly mobilize response teams made up of experienced IBEW journeyman linemen. Our veteran crews are always ready to assist with the safety and logistical demands of storm power restoration. Our experienced project management team, as well as our on-site OSHA-trained safety personnel, work in constant communication with our linemen to ensure the safety of our employees, our customers, and the public in any situation. Danella's extensive and growing equipment inventory is ready to dispatch 365 days a year. With top-of-the-line equipment and a state-of-the-art mobile command center, we take pride in everything we do. If you are a utility, municipality, customer, or someone seeking employment, please contact us today for your next project or job opportunity by visiting us at our website.